Hello guys, welcome to the onlineITtuts.com. My name is Asif Ali. In this video, I am going to show you how to create login form with database. So I already opened Visit Studio and also SQL Server. First of all, we need to create a project and design a simple login form. Then we will understand how we connect to SQL Server. Let's start to create a project. First of all, go to File, New, and then Project. After that, enter the project name as you want to save the project on your computer, like login form, right? And choose path as you want to save, but I don't change the path or location. This is the default location. I simply click OK button. Then a project is created on your computer. Then go to toolbox and pick the label, then copy and paste the label, right? And text boxes first, copy and paste second, right? And then we need to button, right? These are uh, label and text boxes and also button. We are required to design a login form, and then we will work with these tools to connect SQL Server. Then we will redirect the page and other page as you want to redirect, right? So next step is, first we set up the simple text boxes, design the simple text box one by one and change the name label like first and second. So first is selected and go to properties, change the font size 10 and enter the name like username. Oh no, this is a programming name, but I want to change simply text name, right? And then I just design a simple form, but you can design a form as you like, so beautiful. So second label is selected and select the font size like 10 and then enter the name of second label like password. And oh no, this is a programming name, but I use simple text name, right? Okay, then you need to change the text boxes names. We will use to an program in C#. So first is selected and I want to change the name like txt unit, and then second box is selected and second box name is txt pass, but second box is pass, so I enter the password char box simple star sign, then change the button name and button. Oh no, this is a, and you change the button size. Okay, then we will go to SQL Server, and I already made tutorials database. So this is the tutorials database selected. So I need to create a table, like create table login panel or login as login form, and enter the column names like ID, int, primary key, and second one is name, varchar. This is the varchar type of second column name. Then third is password, right, or pass, and type varchar. Enter the range of, this is a table has created. Then insert the value of this table, insert into login form, values like Asif. This is a my name Asif, right? And second column name, sorry, second column data is password. For example, I write simple name of hello, right? And enter the values. Why? I check it. Select static from login form, pass ID. This is the right. Oh no, this is a mistake. I simply drop the table and then add another identity keyword, right? Then I select this query and run the query. After that, I select below insert query to insert the record on this table, right? Here is a record has been displayed on your screen. The next step is go to Visual Studio and double click on this button to create an event. Then you need to import connection file system.data.sql client. Then you will use two SQL queries on this project or this form. The next step is create a variable like com and assign the value at the rate, sorry, double quotation, data source. Data source is your SQL server name. Copy it and go to Visual Studio and paste it. Then enter the semicolon. Next is initial catalog and assign the database name like tutorials, right? This is my database name. So initial catalog require database name. So I simply write tutorials database. Then third is integrated security. Integrated security. And this is a true. right? And enter the semicolon, and here enter this slash sign, right? This is our connection. Then the next step is go to button event body area and enter the try catch exception x parenthesis and message show message box, call message box dot show, and call the x dot message, and here you can write the all codes or queries in the connect with SQL data and also your Visual Studio Form data, right? So let's start to match the data with these input boxes and SQL column data, sorry, table data. So what do you need to do? Simply write the query if, write the code if txt uname dot txt equal to empty and txt pass dot text equal to empty, then you call message box dot show, please enter the username and password, right? After the end of if body, write else, enter the all commands of your SQL queries and as you want to show message on your button event. So let's start to match the data with SQL database and form input boxes, right? So write the query SQL connection and create the object SQL connection and pass this string variable here. This is our connection is available in SQL object. So next step is write the second SQL command cmd create object and new SQL command, enter the query as you want to match the data. So write simple select static from your table name. What is my table name? Login form. Copy it and here paste it. Write another keyword key where, write first column name and equal at the rate, write any name, write any name, okay? For example, username. I write simple username. Basically, name is match this column name, this column, right? And second username I entered temporary, right? Then write the end keyword and then second column name, right? Like this, pass and assign the second column name like I write any temporary name like user password, user pass, and enter the comma and call this connection object. I rename this object phone, right, and enter here, enter the semicolon. Then you need to pass the parameter. So write cmd this object and enter the dot sign parameters dot add with value, and then enter the double commas at the rate. Here is a temporary name, pass here and enter the comma, and you need to enter first text box name like txt uname.txt, right? Second step is same process but change the column name, and here is the password temporary name. I simply pass here, enter the double commas and enter the comma and txt pass dot text, right? Then you need to open the connection and then write SQL adapter, SQL data adapter, ADPT, or create an object, new SQL adapter, and then pass the CMD simple object here, enter the semicolon, then write another data set and create object ds equal to new data set and parenthesis, right? ADPT means this is the object and I enter this object here. So write fill and pass the ds here. That's it, and enter the connection close keyword here. So the all process is completed, but we need to check the table data and display to message successfully or unsuccessfully. So we need to create another variable like int count and assign the ds like this values ds dot tables and enter the range like 0 index dot rows dot count and write the condition if count equal to 1 parenthesis curly brackets and then display message with us message box dot show and successfully login, right? And write else message box dot show invalid password username and password, right? Let's check it to this process. I run the form and enter the name like Asif, and here is the password is hello, and I write HELLO, hello, right? And simply click OK button. Login button here is a successfully login. If I enter the wrong password, so you can see here invalid username and password. And another feature is here. For example, I run the project and click to login button. You have seen display message. Please enter the username and password. If you want to redirect another page, like I want to tell you something, I go to simply solution and enter the new form. Create new form, sorry, form. Where is the form? Oh no, I want to redirect to another page, so I need to create a new item and WinForm, like WinForm 2 name here. So this is the second form. Enter the text, sorry, label here, and I simply go to first page coding process and create a sorry, form 2 ob equal to new form 2 parenthesis close this process, and here write the query, write the code, this dot height obj, sorry, ob dot show. That's it. Let's check it. Enter the pass, uname and pass. Here is second page. We will see. So that's it, users. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question about this topic, kindly comment me on below section. I will reply with you very soon. Thank you very much again. Don't be forget to subscribe.